And here we are at the sawmill this morning. Gonna drop off these 2 oak logs, and not sure when we're going to be sawing them, but what's that?
Oh, that's weathered lumber. Weathered lumber.
Oh, that's Vince's.
Well, he thinks it is anyway. But,
okay.
Yeah.
Here, make yourself useful. It's on.
Do you want me to be useful?
Here one day and took a couple because somebody wanted a couple. But if you come back this afternoon, call me. If you don't, that's okay too. Oh, okay. Well, we'll plan on getting it. I get back on the 6th of July. I'll just touch base with you then. All right. Thanks for calling. You too, sir. Bye.
Yeah, my neighbor across the street putting up a sheep pen and a chicken house, and I was thinking, you know, instead of buying pricey crap at Lowe's.
I've got stacks of lumber at my place that I will sell.
Oh, okay.
So if you're looking, what are you looking for, oak or?
Oh, no. He's just putting up the temporary. You know, I don't even know exactly what he needs.
Okay.
And for all I know, he had it framed up the other day. For all I know, he's been to Lowe's and spent $800 for $200 worth of lumber.
No, I've probably got 11 or 12 stacks of lumber down at my place.
Okay, and those are in the market?
Oh yeah.
And is there a? Can he and I come down and look at it if he's interested?
Yeah.
And then.
Yeah, I've got a long stack, white oak long, and some poplar long.
I think
I got some red oak, 8 feet plus.
Yeah, so I think, you know, he's just doing basically a vertical fence. He's already put a corrugated fiberglass roof on it, so it's just, it would be 8 feet and under sort of a stuff.
All right. How you doing, sir?
I'm good, and you?
Very good. All right, so we want 1 buys out of this. There's a project coming. I didn't get a chance to look at the GoPro. I forgot how to do it.
I'll send you the link.
All right.
So the roof is completely framed up.
Well, that's good.
Including the purlins. They went on beautifully, especially this last batch. Because, you know, you gave me 12s and 16s, which I turned into 10s and 14s, which meant every run was just 2 boards, and I alternated the joint, and it's just ducky-wucky, and just zoom.
Good.
The Amish guy finally came Saturday and looked at the job, and so I'm waiting to hear back from him. We made a little change to the bill of material, and he's gonna.
Is he putting up the siding, or what's he doing?
No, he's putting up the roof.
Oh.
Metal roofing.
He's gonna get it in 28-foot lengths.
Think we should roll this one to the middle a little?
It doesn't like to roll.
Yeah.
I mean, it will it'll really take both of us and some hard work to get it to roll. I think we can reach across it and draw it to him.
All right. Ah.
No, I'm going to check with Mark Quallen.
So what are they?
I started out not getting a good answer. And then we got cleared off and got a better answer.
We'd be all fancy if we had a rig like that, wouldn't we? Cut the trees and take them over to the firewood pile and then buck them up and split them.
All up in the air, all fucking hunky-dory. Yes, and if we had that, we immediately, the list would expand to include the next really
Right.
cool thing.
All right.
Well, there'll be lots of stuff here when Jim's trying to put all this back.
I don't know what all this dirt is. Oh, you know what? I know what it is. It's left over from here. It was free.
They probably didn't do it.
Yeah, I'm sure they did.
I guess we're next. Put our long time.
Yeah, looks like it.